Good day, everyone. My name is Sean Ketemerona, and today I will be presenting my insights and reflections for the subject construction methods and project management. For this presentation, I will focus areas I learned in this course and explain how it impacts real-world project work and my future career. I will also share a few suggestions that I believe can help improve the learning experience in this subject. This subject has given me a deeper understanding of how construction projects are planned, executed, and controlled, but among all topics, risk management stood out the most because it plays a crucial role in preventing delays, accident, and cost overruns. Let me explain what I learned. One of the most valuable lessons I learned is risk management. I understand how important it is to identify different types of risk, whether they are technical, financial, or safety related. I also learned how to analyze risk using qualitative and quantitative methods and how mitigation strategies are developed. Another key takeaway is the use of risk registers, which help document all potential risks and monitor them throughout the project. Overall, this topic taught me that managing risk proactively leads to better project outcomes and fewer unexpected problems on site. Real world impact on my career. This subject has significantly improved my readiness for real project environments. First, it enhanced my decision making skills. Understanding risk frameworks helps me make more informed choices when issues arise. Second, it strengthened my problem solving abilities, allowing me to approach challenges logically and calmly. Third, applying risk-based planning makes me more capable of preparing realistic and efficient project plans. Lastly, all these skills make me more competitive for roles in project coordination, safety management, and site supervision. Suggestions for the instructor. To improve the subject further, I would like to suggest introducing more real-life case studies that show how risks are assessed and solved on actual projects. Another suggestion is to include more interactive activities such as group workshops where we evaluate risk and create mitigation plans. Lastly, using more visuals like site videos, diagrams, or sample project documents would help students understand how this concept apply in real construction settings.